Here at Blackout, we love anything with wheels and an engine, and sometimes things with wheels and no engine, but we really love Porsche. Me, personally, I really love Porsche. And part of the reason for that is they do cool stuff, and there's hardly any car companies anymore that just do cool stuff for the sake of doing cool stuff. Porsche does. These two cars both happen to be here at the same time. One is a Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe. One is the new Spider RS, which is basically the GT4 RS on the Boxster platform. And the thing that's cool about these cars, they both have a houndstooth interior, so that center inserts of the leather seats are houndstooth, or as Porsche formally calls it, pepita. So who cares? Why is the houndstooth pattern important? Well, it debuted for Porsche in the 356, which was produced from 1948 to 1965. That was the first real Porsche. If I remember correctly, it wasn't the first car that Ferdinand Porsche designed, but it was the first real Porsche that then led to the launch of the iconic Porsche 911 that is still being produced today. There's actually a 1965 911 in the Porsche Museum that features the Pepita fabric on display. So pretty cool. It's an homage to their heritage. We love Porsche because of things like this, as well as their racing heritage. They have another one called Tartan, which was popular in the 80s on the, I want to say the 911s, definitely the 944 turbos, and it was made after one of the designer's trousers, according to Porsche. Porsche's take on the fabric, this is a direct quote: "Simplicity, elegance, beauty. The very best designs rarely need many ingredients, and that's certainly the case when it comes to Pepita." I just think that really sums up Porsche's design elements. They've kept the 911 almost the same style, very simple, until the new 992. Not so simple on the GT3 RS. But they like that beauty of simplicity, and we love them for that. And the cool thing is, if you want your new Porsche to have the Pepita fabric, just like chassis number 57 that's in the Porsche Museum, you can do that with the Porsche Heritage Design Package. I'm not sure what cars that's available on, but it is available. So pretty cool stuff. The more you know about Porsche.